This week.
Hi friends, this is Ramesh here. Welcome to our 8th class. This is a very short class and an interesting topic. In this class, we are going to see about what is a graphic and what is alt text, alternate text. So graphics is nothing but a picture or a image, non-movable image, which is fixed in between the contents, in between the paragraphs, between the phrases, or as a uh, heading level, as a link. It may be in any way. So that has been how a visually impaired person can recognize that there is a image between the two paragraphs, or image is there in the page. How he can recognize that? So for that, a short brief of alternate text will be given for each image. So alternate text is nothing but a brief notes about the happenings, about the uh, matter that is taking place in the image. That has to be given very shortly so that the people can understand what is alt text means. So what are all the images that is not uh, tagged as tagged and not given as alt text means some decoratives, some sort of styled controls, so, watermarks, background images, background colors are not considered to be in the form of a graphic, and they are not uh, given any alternate text. That has to be ignored. So let us see what is the image and what is an alt text for the image, so that the visually impaired person can recognize. So for that, I'm going to open a file.
Downloads row 1 column 2. Downloads items view list. Earlier this week grouping expanded. Heading levels and images 2 of 4. Earlier this week heading levels and images 2 of Unit 1 dash right people of India dash shadow. Heading level 1 page 1 unit 1 dash right people of it. Heading level 1 unit 1 dash right people of it.
So let me see, let me make sure that the document is in entire page document setup reading. I'm giving control end.
Page 3 1 dot.
So it is containing only 3 number of pages. I'm going to the top of the document.
Heading level 1 page 1 unit 1 dash right people of India.
So for moving to next images or graphics, the shortcut is, the key command is G for graphics. The screen reader will announce images as graphics. It is a figure tag. It will announce all the figures and images as graphics. So let me give G once. I'm going to press G for jumping into any graphics there are not in this document. I'm pressing G.
A photograph of Mahatma Gandhi graphic.
A photograph of Mahatma Gandhi graphic. I'm pressing G again.
Page 3 a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar graphic.
In page 3, a photograph of Sachin Tendulkar is there. I'm pressing G again.
No next graphic.
So only 2 images are there. No next graphic. So this is what images means. So images is nothing but a picture. So the alternate text have to be given for each image. That should be very short and brief, so that the visually impaired person can understand while navigating through the images. So if the images are not tagged means that you will see in the next upcoming classes. What are the things to check while navigating through images, as in the point of tester. So today it is the point of a user, how a user can recognize, how a user can come to know that image is there in the file or not. So that is what today's class is going. So so another one thing, the artifact, the image that is considered to be a decorative part that can be artifact, and they are not considered to be provided any alt text there. Okay, so and that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Downloads row 1. Meeting controls row 1. Meeting controls with